Fish farm.
Once again, this is an announcement of the rating charged by each policy. We allow 1 piece of pocket baggage and 1 piece of personal item that combine with the yes, carrying out
Punta tayong Maynila. Ito yung boarding pass. Nagpila po tayo. Time check 5 o'clock in the morning. Nakapaan agad ang mag-aantay pa kami ng aming departure. Hindi pa yung aming airplane. Ayan yung iba. Ayan sila. Iloilo Airport. Matagal pa yung amin kasi 6:45 pa yun. 5 o'clock in the morning pa yun. Dapat early tayo para hindi tayo malit. Para hindi tayo tutulog. daw siyang ligo. Ayan, si Ma'am Florence. Naantok. Kami ay nag-aantay ng Grab. Okay. Ito yung aking agency. Dito ako ngayon nag-aantay. Yan. Dito ako napunta sa
sino
Manila.
naghanap sa'yo ng agency mo?
Ha?
Sino naghanap?
Hindi, kasi si Nang Loren, ano yan?
Sino yun?
Si Lorena.
Lorena.
Yung tumatawag sa'yo, yung ano ni Mamile.
Ah, yung katulong
Oo.
kasambahay niya.
Kasambahay, family friend nila, yun ang asawa ko. Kababat, ano nila talaga.
Ah, kaya pala minamadali ito nila.
Ako yung ano nila kung yan.
Uy, yung ano mo dyan, bawal yung ginagawa mo, wala
Saan?
information sa boss ko eh.
Hindi ko naman pinakita. Tingnan mo. Ako
Nakaano
lang
ka?
naman. Ako lang.
Na, hayaan mo lang kasi mamaya at least. Saka,
At saka hindi naman ko famous.
Te,
Ha? Nanonood siya ng Asia Farm. So, ayan. Maghahanap tayo ng pagkain, guys. Nagugutom na po ako. Hindi ko alam saan ko kakain. Doon siguro. So, dito yung mga pagkain. Yung hanapin yung ano. Gusto niyo bibili ng sabon na. Yan po. Matagal pa yung flight natin. Kaya pwede tayo magpatikot kung saan tayo kain. Ayun, doon tayo kain sa burger roaster. Doon sa unahan.
When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate the vents. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Flow the increased air push pins in order to release the airline that automatically eliminates once battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate life vests inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests on the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in the cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you. Put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band sideways for a snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you're advised to remove it. And in case of emergency evacuation, follow the lines that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card.
Asa kag-exit ka, dili man pwede, dapat yearly man. Ay, to every 2 years.
pero kompleto na ang bisa ko taon pagbawas ko dito.
Nasa airport ng Hong Kong na kami. Meron kong ate dito. Kilala. Sabay lang po ako sa kanya. Masakay ta? Kanang 30 oh. Immigration. Ipsi naman ito. Bago lang kong hilap yan. Kain mo na ipsi. Ano